The best peace lily plants to grow in your bedroom. This pretty plant is a good choice for anyone who likes to have some flowers among their foliage, as the peace lily features an array of brilliant, white flowers, which in technical terms are actually not flowers, but in fact, a special type of leaf called the hooded bract. In spite of its name, the peace lily is not really a lily at all, and instead is a member of the Aeraceae family, though its flowers do bear a strong resemblance to those of the calla lily. It is the perfect plant to grow in a bedroom because it is able to improve the quality of indoor air by up to 60%. It is especially good at absorbing mold, preventing mold and mildew from forming on window frames or any area in your bedroom that is susceptible to damp conditions. The other great thing about the peace lily is that it is very tolerant of low light, so it can brighten up a dull corner of your bedroom, which doesn't receive much natural light. If you want to increase flower production, this plant will need to come out from the shade and receive a few hours of bright, indirect light each day. But if you are not especially fussed about having a massive flowers on your peace lily, then you can leave it in a shaded area all year long. The foliage of this plant is actually very attractive, so many people do grow it just for the look of its lush, bright green leaves. It is a very low-maintenance plant that does not require much care or attention. It can be watered infrequently, as it is drought-tolerant, so it can withstand reasonable lengths of time without water. The peace lily is a plant that would prefer to be underwater than overwatered, as it does not like to be sitting in soggy soil. And in fact, overwatering is one of the most common ways to kill this plant. To keep it healthy, only water once the soil is dry to the touch. The peace lily is actually very good at letting you know when it wants to be watered, as its leaves will become limp. When this happens, you should give it a generous watering, and it will perk right back up. Then refrain from watering until its foliage starts to droop again. A word of warning to pet owners: this plant is toxic to cats and so should be avoided if your pets are likely to nibble on any part of the plant. The best benefits of growing peace lily in your bedroom. Herb sparkles. Peace lily spathiphyllum is one of the best indoor plants to keep in your bedroom. Not only does it add beauty, but it also provides incredible health and wellness benefits. Here is why you should consider adding a peace lily to your sleep space. 1. Purifies air and removes toxins. Peace lily is one of the top air purify plants, according to NASA's Clean Air study. It removes harmful toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, carbon monoxide, and ammonia, improving indoor air quality to boost oxygen, and enhances sleep quality, helping to ease dry skin, sinus irritation, and allergies. Improved air quality can reduce headaches and promote deeper sleep. 3. Reduces mold and absorbs excess moisture. Peace lily absorbs moisture from the air, which helps prevent mold and mildew growth. Ideal for bedrooms with high humidity or poor ventilation. For low maintenance and easy to care for. Thrives in low to medium light, making it perfect for bedrooms with limited sunlight. Requires minimal watering just when the soil feels dry. Droops when it needs water, making it easy to know when to hydrate it. 5. Creates a calming and relaxing atmosphere. The elegant white flowers and lush green leaves bring a sense of peace and tranquility. Studies show that indoor plants help reduce stress, anxiety, and improve mood. 6. Natural air freshener and odor eliminator. Peace lily neutralizes odors, keeping your bedroom smelling fresh. The plant's mild fragrance adds a soothing and pleasant aroma to your space. 7. Adds elegance and beauty to your bedroom. Its graceful white flowers and lush green foliage make it a stunning decor piece. Works well in pots, bedside tables, or corners, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your room. Final thoughts. If you want a beautiful, air-purify and easy to cure for plant in your bedroom, Peace lily is a perfect choice. It helps you breathe cleaner air,